Oh my God, we're back at it again. So we're back down here at Quicklotz, grabbing a couple more pallets. Today is the last day of the $1,000 off. So we thought we would come down here and grab us a few pallets to make sure we take advantage of this opportunity because it don't come around much. And as you can see, we got a van this time. So it's a cargo van. Hopefully we can get 2 pallets in here.
This is what the Quicklotz pallet warehouse looks like. We live about 4 hours from this warehouse in Shelby, North Carolina, but it is worth the drive. They do have a website where you can purchase these pallets online, but the shipping is really high and I don't like to wait for the inventory. And we really just enjoy going so that we can look through the tops of the pallets and pick out which one we want. Because as you can see here, they all look different. You can get an idea of what you're getting, and it just makes it so much more fun. So here we are going through the inventory on top of some of these pallets to pick out which ones we want. We each ended up picking one. Look at this awesome duck coat, 100% animal free. I love it. So I ended up picking this pallet because it came with this box of handbags and purses on top. And the pallet itself is filled with women's clothing on hangers. Not all pallets come with something extra, but like this one you see on the left came with a suitcase. The one in the back came with a suitcase. And this is the pallet that Biggs ended up choosing, but as you'll see a little later, it's not the one we ended up going home with.
So we paid $4,400 for 2 pallets of Nordstrom Apparel. You guys may have seen our previous 2 videos of Nordstrom Apparel hauls. If not, I'll link those in the description. We're just waiting for them to bring out the pallets.
It was a little tricky, but we were able to fit both pallets inside.
All right, we got the pallets home, and obviously we don't have an easy way to get these out of the truck. So we're thinking we're gonna take everything out of the box and put it on this tarp, then reassemble the box and pallet in the garage and put everything inside. So this time we really didn't get a chance to go through this stuff. So it's exciting to see some of the stuff that we've got so far. And a lot of this stuff is on hangers. So it was taken right off the shelves. So that's good. So it's looking really good so far. Everything is new on the rack. And we haven't seen anything damaged yet. So this whole pallet is not a lot of returns. Just a whole lot of hangers. So if you watch the previous 2 Nordstrom pallet haul videos, you'll see that each of those were different as well. So you never know what you're gonna get. That's what is somewhat helpful, to be able to go to the warehouse and pick it out, but you still only see like what's on the top, because these are really big and you don't know exactly what you're getting. So this is everything from the first pallet, and it turns out it's mostly kids stuff, and it's a lot of it. It's all new with tags, and there's so many different things like Michael Kors coat, so many random things, and I'm not going to go through everything right now, obviously. Urban Republic coat. There was actually a couple of these that I saw. And there's a couple of Kappa. So we're sitting here putting all this stuff back into the Gaylord box. wondering which one of us picked an all kids pallet, and neither one of us did. So we actually thought this was the one that I picked because there was a lot of hangers, and I remember seeing a lot of hangers, but then we remembered that mine went into the truck first. So what we realized is that the one Biggs picked out, we got the wrong pallet by mistake. So
It was our fault.
yes, so they marked it for the guy with the forklift to come get, and we pointed at the wrong one when he got there. So not their fault at all, but this was not the pallet that we chose. But hey, maybe this happened for a reason, and we ended up with an entire pallet of brand new kids clothes for back to school, for Christmas, and neither one of us would have chose this on our own. So we'll see how it goes. All right, we're ready to open pallet number 2. Okay, this second pallet so far looks like all women's new attack stuff on the hangers, and so far we've already found some really great items. This is a sweater with a $425 tag, $300. That looks like it's got, this isn't right.
$265 Rachel Comey sweater. You see anything that got these on it, we ain't worrying about that.
Yep, we have the security tag remover, which you may have seen in the previous video. So it's just this little thing right here that we ordered from Amazon. You just do that, and then you take it out. So really easy, really effective.
We have already listed and sold this sweatshirt. We accepted an offer for $125 on the second day it was listed.
So we're getting down to the bottom of this second pallet now, and we're finding a lot of these expensive gowns. A lot of them.
Look.
Oh, look at this hot pink one. La Femme, these are around $400 or $500. This is so cute. There's a lot.
There's another one of those like you had.
Yes. Like the whole bottom is filled with dresses, gowns.
Yep. Look.
Nice.
Wow. McDougal guy.
And then over here, I set aside a few things. There's a North Face coat, and all of this stuff is new tag. There were a few items that we found mixed in here that were just kind of thrown in. They didn't seem like they were pulled off the rack, but nothing close to that last pallet we got where so much was damaged. This is a Lily Pulitzer dress. It's nice, long, white. I don't want to get it on the ground, but this is another nice gown here by Betsy and Adam. And this is a swimsuit, $162. A sweater, $395. A skirt, $395. So we've definitely found some treasures so far in this pallet. So these are all the purses and handbags and wallets that came in the smaller box on top of the pallet. And some of these items do have defects and some of them don't. So let me just give you a little preview of what came with it. So this is a cute bag by Urban Expressions. Vegan bag. So cute too. Oh my gosh. Oh, and there's stuff inside. Well, this is a pair of earrings with only one earring, so guess I got a little too excited there. I'll probably keep this bag because it's so cute, and it's not like we'd really get that much for it anyway. This one is, let's see. I don't know what this is, but there's a defect here, so probably won't do anything with this. Probably donate that. This is a Vince Camuto. I didn't notice anything wrong with this one. This is a multi-sack. Didn't see anything wrong with this one either. This is a Steve Madden bag, and the defect was just that it didn't have the little bag that comes with it and goes inside. Otherwise, there's nothing wrong with this. And I could not find the fabric content on it, but I'm going to look it up, because if it's not real leather, I might keep this one for myself too, but if it's real leather, obviously I won't. And this, it's a big bag. Lee Sports Sack. This is a little mauve color bag by Longchamp. Didn't see anything wrong with this. A little wallet by Madden Girl. And a little white bag, which I need a new white bag. This is by 9 West. Let's see if this is leather or not. Yay! It's not leather. This is a Sam Edelman. I'm not sure if this is an issue or not over here. Not sure how that works. This is a Steve Madden little wallet. And this was my favorite one. It's so cute. This is by Cult Gaia, and the price on the tag is $328. But unfortunately, there is one of the round balls missing. I didn't notice that at first, but we could possibly still sell this without that ball for a significant discount. And this one I thought was so cute. Look at this little movie ticket admit one bag. Thought that was cute. This, I don't know what this is. Wine carrying bag or something by Pink Haley. And this one is a Marc Jacobs purse, which at first I was like, wow, that's gonna be a good sale. But there is this little slit in the fabric. I don't know if you can see it. And I don't know if something like that can be repaired. I've never heard anything about that before. Either way, I would assume not, but I will give it a quick search before donating this. And this is just a security thing we can cut off. So we pulled out all of the gowns. And look how many it is. So many. This is thousands of dollars worth of gowns. We're actually going to go through all of these and get the retail value of them. We don't enjoy that much going through these gowns and looking for every flaw and photographing them and then storing them while they're listed. So what we've decided to do with these is give them to Big's daughter, who is in the fashion and modeling industry, and she is going to get them on models and get them sold, and we're going to split the profits. So it actually worked out really well because she's excited about it too, and it makes it easier for us. So that's what we'll be doing with these dresses. So we went through all of the gowns and we put them on a hanger and put them in a plastic gown bag, and we looked up all of the prices of all of the gowns and put them on the sticker so that Ashley would know the retail value of everything and just make it a little bit easier for her. And also because we do keep track of the retail value of every item that we get in the pallets for our own purpose and to share with you on the videos. So these dresses added up to 62 dresses, totaling a retail value of over $28,000. So I hope that she'll be really happy to get all of these dresses tomorrow. And just like we've done here, recording all of the retail value of these items, we will do the same with all the other items that we get in the pallet along the way, but we won't be going through any of that right now. We'll be finishing listing the first 2 pallets that we got. So this was just a sneak peek of what we got in the 3rd pallet. If you saw the other 2 videos, you will know that it's a little bit different than the other 2. So I am excited to share the results with you when we do finish going through everything. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. So this completes the little sneak peek of these 2 pallets. I just wanted to show you guys that we did end up buying 2 more pallets. We will have haul videos on the way eventually, but we are still in the process of photographing and listing the last 2 hauls of clothing. So check back in the future for the haul videos.
Thank you so much for watching.